Tevet, and Tevet is like the new year of the Jews starts from Tishrei, and Tevet is a month which usually is December. Yes, somebody is an expert. Tevet is usually December, January, and so that's why it's 16. But in the Hebrew numericals, Zion is what is a Zion stand for? 7. So in Hebrew it will be 7 in the year, like 5,600 and so on and so on. And in the Christian calendar is 1916. Okay? So we can go further.
Are these are unmarked graves?
These are the graves, yes.
Or
these are actually marked. You see, there is some, like you can see over here, it's a stone, and at least it's marked. There is probably the tombstone is stolen from here, but you can see it's a grave because it's kind of sarcophagus. By the way, this is strawberry. There are many raspberries, and over here it's a strawberry pre-striped. Nobody was buried over here since 1940, so you can easily eat it. It's no problem from the point of view.
Why would they take it?
And this is a shaft. The shaft.
Oh, these are not straight.
From the and then I like very, very delicious.
Oh my gosh. Sorrow.
What the Jewish partisans actually were collecting and the girls were cooking. I'm trying to eat here.
I mean, of course, it's not my favorite thing, but also like looking for more nutritious things.
It's very, very good delicious. Try. Yes. Very delicious. Try. Please eat it up.
I think she almost does that.
Y'all get that blueberry.